Hello, friends. Welcome back to the YouTube channel Abhiram Hollad Adventures Unlimited, and this is Easyagi Kannada Kaleri through English with Abhiram Holla. The topic for this episode is how do I say I know Kannada in Kannada. It also includes how do I say I know to read Kannada, I know to write in Kannada, and I know to speak Kannada. This is the third episode of the series Easyagi Kannada Kaleri through English with Abhiram Hodda. If you haven't checked out the previous two episodes, you can check them out here. The link to the playlist is also given in the description box. You can check them out. Now let's get straight into the episode. To begin with, how do I say I know Kannada in Kannada? Just say Nanage Kannada Gottu. I repeat, Nanage Kannada Gottu. Now, how do I say I know to read Kannada? Just say Nanage Kannada ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. I repeat, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. Moving on, how do I say I know how to write in Kannada? Just say ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. I repeat, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. Moving on, how do I say I know to speak Kannada in Kannada? Just say ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. I repeat, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. So, practice these things with a trusted friend who knows Kannada. Practice makes you perfect. So, the first episode was about Kannada ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. The second episode was ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. The third episode is ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತು or ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So the objective is to move from episode 1 to episode 3 in the sense not knowing Kannada to fluently speaking Kannada. Friends, you are watching the YouTube channel Abhiram Holla Adventures Unlimited, and this is Easyagi Kannada Kaleri through English with Abhiram Holla.